A bike lock is a tiny item, but it's also insurance for your beloved bike. It's estimated that over 1.5 million bicycles are stolen every year. Over 40% of stolen bikes were locked when being stolen. No matter how strong your lock is, it's still not nearly safe enough. What you need is a proactive bike guard. ZiiLock. ZiiLock is the first foldable bike lock with fingerprint unlock as well as a smartphone keyless entry for your bike. You are the key to the next street. ZiiLock is made of 6.5mm Temper-hardened steel bars, 7mm diameter rivets, and anti-drilling components, providing the security of an U-lock with the flexibility of a chain. The 98cm unfolding length enables a wider protective range. Even cargo e-bike or fat-tired bike can be locked easily. The compact design makes ZiiLock easily folded and carried in the portable lock case or your bag. The rubber surface coating also protects your bike's paint job. It uses an always-on Bluetooth connection with your phone, so your bike can be locked and unlocked with only the tap of a button. ZiiLock is equipped with a sensitive motion sensor. It can detect any unauthorized actions and alert you right away. You can always keep an eye on your bike just like you are next to it, even if you are 100 meters away. Hey man! ZiiLock! You can share a temporary code with someone, allowing your friend or family to use your bike or locked by their smartphone. ZiiLock is embedded with an efficient lithium battery and low power consumption components, supporting long-lasting protection up to 3 months. When the battery runs out, you can still unlock it with a spare key. Now, after months of development, ZiiLock is finally launched, and we need your support to make it happen. Thank you! You are the key to ZiiLock.